Hi everyone, in front of me I've got the DOOGEE Tab G6 Max, and let me share with you how to check for the software updates on this device. So let's start with making sure that you've got the internet connection because it is required, and I highly recommend using Wi-Fi instead of mobile data. And then let's go to settings. Here in this left section, we need to scroll all the way down to find the option about tablet and tap on it. And on the first position, we've got the system update, so just tap on it. And your device will check for the updates, and basically you can meet two different scenarios. So this is the first one where your software is up to date and there's nothing to download. And the second one is where your device will actually find the update. It will show you the information about it, what has been fixed, what has been added. And then you will be able to tap on download or install and apply the update. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.